Mitchell Starc. He starts as 8 over with a goodie, getting it up in the block hole because he's going to have to be. He's up against Umar Akmal, who's got a nice little platform to really kickstart something special here. So 13 overs remaining at the start of this one. So 41 from 42, 2 big sixes. And he's in there with his younger brother. Very wide on that return crease is Mitchell Starc. Oh, another dot ball.
Well, this batting power play is clearly helping Australia to get back into action and think positively about the game.
Oh, change of pace and full again though. He went for an effort ball. It was a lot quicker. Trying to get it in the hole. Yeah, it was a stacked offside field because third man's up inside the circle. And he's missed out here. He'll be furious with himself. He's trying to maybe do too much, but he knows that he's going to try and thread at the third man. But such is the nature of the batting power play, the offside is packed and it's up, saving one. 5 dot balls in a row. Beautiful bowling this from young Mitchell Starc.
He's looking to give himself room so that he can crash the ball through the offside, and well, he's not finding his radar. Once again, missing a ball that should really have been punched through the offside. At least some contact should have been made.
Where does he go here? He might get a wide here. No, he doesn't. Billy Bowden says it's a maiden. It's still 167 for 5.